What's up, how y'all doing? How are you guys? Welcome back to another video. So we're gonna address a very big Subaru issue in this video, and that is the famous Subaru bumper tab. As you guys can see, I blew out my front bumper going paintballing. I hit like this it's just gnarly hole in the dirt, and bumper was already kind of messed up. But yeah, I really took it out, so I had to zip tie it to get it home. And now we have these ugly gaps, as you guys can see right here. And yeah, this whole thing just comes out. Anyways, to solve this issue, because I know it's a very common thing, I guess, I went ahead and on Facebook Marketplace, I came across a set of these brackets. So I purchased them, and I've seen good reviews on them online. But it's cool, just somebody had them, so I didn't need to order weight. But they come with these pins that you drill a hole into your bumper, and this pretty much goes on like that, and your bumper clicks in. Now for reference, this pretty much deletes this bracket that is underneath here, and this will pretty much sit there, and these two get drilled into the bumper, where these will, like you saw, click in place. Super neat, super easy, and makes it more convenient to take your bumper and stuff off too. So first thing we always have to do is we have to cut these zip ties off, so it gives us room to get in there. I might have to take the bumper off, I'm gonna see, but yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I installed the driver's side. Obviously I'm gonna show you guys how to do the passenger side, but yeah, as you guys can see, a bunch of shavings and stuff. We drilled the hole. I'll tell you guys the size is 3/4 drill bit. We mounted the bracket, as you guys can see, in all three positions. And when you want to throw the bumper on, you just go ahead and line it up. Clicked it in, and that's it. The gap looks good. I think I set it up to be good. And just like that, it's on. And obviously when you want to pop it off, you just press these in and pull it. Oh, it's a little bit harder to do with one hand, but you'll get the idea. But yeah, this thing's nice and sturdy on there, ain't coming off. Tighten the back bolts too, but I'll show you guys how to do the passenger side. So first, obviously, get all the tools you need. These are size 10s. These are all 11s, and then the back sides of these are, so pretty much this is all I used, the 11, 7/16, because I didn't have another 11, a size 10 extension, and then number 5 Allen, which is what you need. Drill one of these bits, or a 3/4. I measured it with the calipers. And then the back side, sorry about the neighbor, but the back side too of this nut is a 22 mil to tighten it down. So I'll show you guys how to do it all now. But pretty much for the passenger side, I decided to show you guys because it's a bit harder from my car. I have the fender liner, obviously. But you can just move this bumper out of the way like this. You don't need to remove the whole thing. And you guys can see right there everything for it. And yeah. Alright, so pretty much your first step of this install is going to be peel your bumper back. You see that 10mm bolt right there? This holds the fender to the car. Gonna want to remove that bolt first, and then you're going to attach your bracket by that bolt right here. If the bolt is kind of shitty like mine was, you can just replace it with any normal other bolt. Forget the thread pitch on these. I know it's a 1.25, I think M6 is what it is. And if you have fender liner, you peel it back. But pretty much you see the holes. This is the other hole that you need to attach the bracket in. And then obviously your normal bumper hole right here too for the bolt. But as you guys can see, mine totally ripped off. So let's do that. Of course, camera died. But pretty much straight simple, guys. These ones you put in, this one on the side right there, and then that bottom one, as you can see, that 10. But pretty much like this, I lined it up. There's a toothpaste method to do it, but I pretty much lined it up and just pressed on it, and you'll see a little indentation in the paint. And I used one of these and went to the 3/4 mark, so all the way over here, and it's a perfect fit, as you guys can see. Just slides right in. But before I do that, I need to adjust the length of these to make sure it's good. And that's pretty much it for this side as well. You can do this if you want. I trimmed down all these for a better fitment, but on this side I didn't do it, and it's perfectly fine. So it's just up to you. Alright guys, sprayed on the car. So as you can see, I fixed my lip, and yep, so this is how it comes out. Button style right there. On this side, no matter what I could want to do, I couldn't get this gap out, and I think it's because my fender was messed up before and my bumper is just too messed up. Like you see, I have these gaps here. Doesn't matter really to me. It does suck that it's there, you know, but whatever. But yeah, this came out good. And the install was very easy to do, and nice to go, nice and set. It's not gonna come off. Perfect. Anyways, hope this video helps one of you. Thanks for watching. Peace.